Welcome to Byte, where we empower businesses to navigate the complexities of international trade with precision and confidence. Today we explore how Byte's advanced capabilities ensure compliance and mitigate risks in real-world scenarios. Let's dive into a use case. An example based on the chemical commodity sulfur dichloride. Imagine you are a U.S. manufacturer of insecticide and you are importing sulfur dichloride as a chemical agent for your insecticide product. Your first step in any commodity risk assessment is checking against global commodity control lists. Using the Byte screening tool, we can quickly confirm any controls or regimes that may be associated with sulfur dichloride. Moving to the Products tab, we can search for sulfur dichloride in the query bar. This returns 5 hits that include just one HS code. You can open the results to see more information about the returns. To confirm the exact match for your chemical commodity, as well as expand the results to cover all of your bases, you can add the CAS number to the name during the query process. As the importer, you would have the CAS number and you can enter it here. Now that you have the commodity name and CAS number, you can begin to explore your results. The results now show 8 hits for sulfur dichloride, or the CAS number 105459990. Looking into these results, you can see different control lists that have been applied to both the commodity name as well as the CAS number. These control lists that sulfur dichloride are associated with, such as the Australia control list, or the chemical weapons precursors, CAS most scheduled trade chemicals lists, indicate that further due diligence may be needed. Having this information will help you stay compliant when importing this product for your business. In today's interconnected world, managing trade compliance is more crucial than ever. Byte's sophisticated modules ensures that you stay ahead of compliance challenges, turning potential risks into well-managed opportunities.